All right, well, we just hit 40,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Which is crazy. Crazy to think that 40,000 people want to subscribe to our shit here in the shed.
Yeah, we've been staring at like 35, 38,000 subscribers for so long, and we've finally hit 40k subscribers. Super happy with it. Oh, man, yeah, it feels good to finally hit that. It's a nice milestone.
It is, and obviously it's all thanks to you guys at home. If it wasn't for you, it wouldn't exist, and if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be doing what we're doing here. Although today we didn't achieve much, but that's a whole other story. But honestly, we can't thank you guys enough, because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be doing this. Not being able to do what we have achieved over the past 5 years now, it's been. So in order to celebrate that milestone, I reckon we definitely need to piece together some sort of subscriber giveaway, and give me a bit of time and I'll probably put all that together, because the 40,000 sort of crept up on us. We were, like Nate said, slowly, and all of a sudden in the last couple of months just went boom, and I have not got anything ready for a giveaway, but we will organise one, and it will be big and it will be awesome. But what I reckon we should do, because we haven't done one for a little while, is I think it's about time we do a little bit of Q&A.
Yeah, we can do a Q&A.
Yeah?
We can do a Q&A.
Q&A. So in the comments below, send any questions that you have, whether it's about the channel, the shed, the cars, where everything's at, the future of Hackshop, what that looks like, what our plans are, or any other questions you got. Put them in the comments below, and if we get enough of them, we'll make a whole episode on answering those questions. If not, I'll just answer them in the comments if no one cares. But yeah, we just wanted to say a quick thank you. Absolutely unreal. Like, we never ever expected to be 40,000 subscribers deep in YouTube. So yeah, catch you next episode if there's one this week, because today didn't work out. Not at all.
Oh well, shit happens.
That's Hackshop.
Yeah.
See you next episode. Oh.